Hello everyone, welcome to our Urdu language channel. So we are going to start today is our topic about counting in Urdu language. So how to pronounce the Urdu counting. Okay, the word zero at the digit zero as well, you can see how to pronounce in Urdu. It's called Sifr. Sifr. One, egg. Egg. Two, do. Do. Three, teen. Teen. Four, Chaar. Chaar. Five, Paanch. Paanch. Six, Chhay. Chhay. Seven, Saat. Saat. Eight, Aath. Aath. Nine, no. No. 10, das. Das. You can repeat once again with us, and where you can just practice your words once again with us. It's like starting with a zero. Sifr, egg, do, teen, char, panch, chhe, saat, aath, no, das. Mostly I think it's all words are clear, so you can repeat once again like by yourself, like this way. Sifr ek do, sifr ek do, teen char panch, chhe saat aath, no and das. So here is the writing way, like the counting is as well, writing way is little bit different, like as you can see, but it's in Persian, Arabic and Urdu is almost like nearby to each other. But in Urdu, usually like on the books are written like this way. Zero is written like this way, so you can see from the zero it's starting 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Thanks for watching. देखने के लिए शुक्रिया.